So what we've done is we've fitted the modem above our DMS unit here. This could be a Pro Hub. The configuration is exactly the same. This is the section here. This is our PoE splitter, so this is the power over Ethernet version. We've been given Ethernet cable that's powered, but in this instance we can't use it to connect to the internet, so we're going to use the 4G modem. So we need to power the modem from the same place as we power the DMS. So what we do is we just connect the wires together and put them into the to the kind of power input of the DMS. It's easier to actually twist the wire together to put them in there because they're push fits. And then we connect in to the terminal block that's connected here. So just refer back to the wiring diagram if you have to. The red one goes on the bottom, black one goes on top. I'm just going to do that up there and make that connection into the bottom there. And again, using the short patch lead that comes inside the box, what we're actually going to do is we're going to take this one off because we're not getting the internet connection from the site. So we can disconnect that one, and then we're going to connect in the one that leads up to the modem. So with this, we're going to connect in. There's actually two ports in the modem. We're using the lower one. That's okay. We'll tidy up the cable afterwards. And now we're going to connect in the power. So if we connect that into the splitter, you can see we've got the power light come on here. If you see on the side of the modem, the port lights are on, so we know this is powered. And then shortly we get a power light coming on onto the DMS. And what we're looking for is on the top LED where it says network here. We're looking for a green LED because that shows that this is now connected to the internet. It may not happen straight away. It could go red first. It depends on the network strength of the location of the modem. These are clever modems. They do scan to see which network is strongest, and they will lock onto that, and that can take several minutes to actually do. So that's fine. Okay, so we've actually got a green LED on here, so that shows that we're connected to the internet. We've got a red fire LED. We won't worry about that. That's just saying that the fire connections are open at the moment. But the one we're interested in is the green network. That tells us that this is now connected online. So this DMS will now send out all the messages, WhatsApps, emails, everything that it has to. If it was a Pro Hub, then obviously we could use the internet to connect to our Insight diagnostic. And that is the overall setup of a 4G modem with a power over Ethernet DMS or Pro Hub.